What's up, guys? It's Charlie here, the Tarantula. Today I'm about to show you guys how I contribute to YouTube. I help to add captions, YouTube captions, and I help add to the closed captions to videos. I'm going to show you guys how I contribute to videos and how you guys can go on there and upload your own captions, your own subtitles. That way you can get a lot more hits. You can get a lot more search results in the search engines. Whenever somebody's searching you up, the closed captioning always helps, and always helps with people that have hearing impairments and stuff like that. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start showing you guys how to start adding closed captions, or you can help review captions that already been on there, and just make sure they look good and say what they are supposed to say or close to it. And you can also get credit. You can credit yourself, get credit on the description for helping add these closed captions and subtitles. Yeah, so here we go. I'm Charlie with CSA Appliance Parts Sales and Repairs. Alright, so from your home page on your desktop view, you can go to your browser. Go to YouTube on your browser. Once it takes you to your Creator Studio, scroll down to the bottom on the left hand side, click on your contributions, and here's different tabs. Here's your submissions, what you've already contributed to. There's your drafts. I don't have any drafts. And then you can contribute by clicking on the right.